this system, which makes it really nice. The only things you really need to worry about are these traits right now.
B-rollers.
We're playing a game.
Shout out to the B-rollers every time she vlogs.
So basically, the way this is for all of us. So the way that the system works is that when you want to do something, you will look at all of the words you have here.
Okay.
If there's a trait that applies, so say you want to like get the ship the fuck out of here, right?
Yeah.
You would definitely be able to use pilot.
Okay.
Okay, so woke up this morning and Make wasn't pooing or peeing. Like, she kept trying to use the bathroom and she couldn't use it. I changed the litter box, she just couldn't go. She kept trying, so I'm taking her to the vet. And Orbit has her sniffles that she tends to get every year. And I'm like, well, might as well just take them both to the vet and see what's up. I'm more concerned for Make than Orbit, but Orbit's probably just gonna get some steroids and some antibiotics, but I have no idea what's going on with Make and I'm worried. So let's go to the vet. She's tense. I'm really worried. They're gonna give her some laxatives and they're gonna give her some fluids and they're gonna give her a little enema. She's not gonna be happy. Oh, baby. So they're gonna give them both some blood work. Make's gonna get an enema, maybe some x-rays. I don't know how much any of this is gonna cost, but you know, gotta take care of them. I know, you're so mad. She's so mad. Look at that tail flick. She's so pissed. She just got her shots and everything in her. She's real pissed at me right now. But she'll be okay.
Make sure you get my good ear in the back.
Yes.
But let me just give you a quick rundown. This is all poop. Like,
Oh,
yeah. Okay?
she's all clogged up.
Yep. Okay. And then that is the VD. That is her on her back. This is the same view, only lateral left. All this is gas. Like the dark spots in there is gas.
Okay.
And then, so doctor, this whole big thing is poop.
Oh, baby. Brought Orbit home. She's doing good. She's forgiven me. It took a bit. As soon as I dropped her off, she kind of like just hid. But now she's back out and hanging out with me. Right now, I have to like figure out solutions on getting Make to drink more water. Orbit drinks a ton of water, but Make does not. And so I'm on the hunt to find some wet food that does not contain chicken in it. Harder than you think it would be. It's very, very difficult. Reasonably priced canned cat food that does not contain chicken in it, and that's the hard part. It's the reasonably priced part that's difficult, and them liking it. That's the thing. You can't really experiment with all the stuff because they're all expensive. So we'll see. I ordered some as soon as I got home. We'll see if they like it tomorrow. Hopefully they will. Okay, so that was a day. Really stressed out from kitties. Make's home. She's home and she's good. She's all pooped out. Even picking her up, I could tell like she's lighter, like a little bit, you know, and she's feeling good. You feeling good? She's kind of mad at me too, though. Orbit's feeling good too. Oh, I love you. You're a good kitty. A little under $900 later, and you know, they're both healthy and fine. It is what it is. Nature of owning some cats who are old and aging, and yeah. It's my friend Nikki's birthday and she's having like a little gathering at like a cafe bar. So going to go do that. Yeah. We're going on a hike today.
B-rollers.
No, this is straight up the actual roll.
A-rollers.
Where are we going? What's this hike?
This is Sturtevant Falls. We are way up in the mountains past Arcadia. And it's actually green.
Yeah.
We'll see if there's water.
Should be water.
It flows down through to the ocean, probably. Probably doesn't get that far. We'll kind of...
Yeah. See? Look at that. Fly in my eyeball. Oh
Yeah,
my
they're
god.
everywhere.
Oh god. Okay. Oh, well, that's going in.
Leave it, Ed.
Nature. Nature.
They love you so much.
Look, there's a waterfall.
It's right there.
It's right there.
You're right. You're so wise.
We made it to the waterfall.
You made it.
Yeah. So we did it. We did the hike. There's a helicopter going to rescue somebody who twisted their ankle. But
Did it.
woo! Well, let's go eat some good food. Lunch. So at the pole gym, classes are going to start in like 40 minutes. First time I'm here in a while where no one's training in the morning because they're all at a competition. So yeah, it should be a chill day. I could actually do my morning duties without people all over the place. it's Sunday. Yay. I am going to a park with Max for, I think it's a birthday party. I'm not sure. It's some picnic event thing. We're going to play outdoor games, stuff like that. So cool. And then after that, I get my soccer game. So it's a productive Sunday. Alright, park hang was good. I ended up actually taking a nap in the park. They had blankets laid out and everything, and I was just like, nap sounds good in the shade. There was a nice breeze and everything. Naps are the best. Now I gotta run around for an hour. That's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be so tired. It's 90 degrees, you guys. It's 90 degrees. But let's see if the bumblebees can do it. Tied, penalty kicks. Let's see. Woo!
Yeah!
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 Woo!
Don't throw the ball out.
Let's do the bus! The first time. I don't know, what is it? How do you guys do it? Do we B? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We won! We tied first, and then it was just sudden death kickoffs, whatever that is. I'm so tired, but we won. It was awesome. We're heading to finals. Third time we've done this. Let's see if that works out. But anyway, I will see you guys next week. I'm dying. Oh my god, I got a ball right to my head and right to my stomach this game. Okay.
Hopefully her sniffles will go away. She always gets sniffles. Right, Baba? Right, my pumpkin?